prepare for the Massachusetts Master's Electrical License, having a well-stocked library of essential electrical texts is crucial. Here's a breakdown of recommended resources. Firstly, the National Electrical Code, or NEC, is an essential reference. The latest edition is a must-have for all electrical installers and inspectors. It provides the standards for safe electrical installations. Secondly, consider the Electrical Design Reference Manual. This comprehensive guide covers electrical design principles and practices. It's beneficial for understanding the theory behind installations. Thirdly, a motor control handbook is an important resource. It offers thorough information on motor control circuits, devices, and their applications. Motors are commonly used in electrical systems, so knowing how to control them is key. Fourthly, the Transformer Handbook is a detailed guide. It covers transformer design, operation, and maintenance. Transformers are essential components in electrical distribution. Fifthly, Electrical Wiring Commercial provides practical guidance. It focuses on commercial electrical wiring systems and installations. Commercial buildings have unique electrical needs. In addition to these text-specific exam preparation resources will greatly benefit you. Firstly, the Massachusetts Master's Electrician Exam Preparation Manual is tailored specifically to the Massachusetts exam. It helps you focus your studies on relevant topics. Secondly, Mike Holt's Guide to the National Electrical Code provides clear explanations of the NEC. This can be extremely helpful in understanding and applying the code requirements. Thirdly, Pass Your Electrical Exam offers a comprehensive review of electrical theory and practice. This type of review will reinforce your understanding. Fourthly, Electrical Exam Practice Questions allows you to assess your knowledge. Practice questions simulate the actual exam format. Fifthly, the NC's Electrical and Computer Engineering Practice Exam can also be a beneficial resource. It's developed by the National Council of Examiners for Engineering and Surveying. Note that the NC's practice exam is designed for the Fundamentals of Engineering exam in Electrical and Computer Engineering. This exam can test knowledge of a broad range of electrical engineering principles. In addition to these texts, there are several other important resources to consider. Firstly, the Massachusetts Board of State Examiners and Electricians provides information on the licensing process and exam requirements. Their website provides the latest updates on exam content and eligibility. Secondly, the Electrical Contractors Association of Massachusetts offers training resources and support for electrical professionals. They may offer courses to prepare for the licensing exam. To further clarify some topics mentioned in the text, here is additional information. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, is a set of standards that sets safety requirements for electrical wiring and equipment in the United States. It is updated every 3 years by the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA. It is important to always use the latest edition of the NEC because it contains the most up-to-date safety information and requirements. The NEC covers a wide range of topics, including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and equipment installation. It is essential for electrical contractors, electricians, inspectors, and other professionals who work with electrical systems. The Electrical Design Reference Manual provides comprehensive guidance on electrical design principles and practices. It covers a wide range of topics, including power distribution, lighting, grounding, and motor control. It is a valuable resource for electrical engineers, designers, and other professionals who are responsible for the design of electrical systems. A motor control handbook is a valuable resource for understanding the operation and application of motor control circuits and devices. It covers a wide range of topics, including motor starters, motor protection, and variable frequency drives. It is an essential resource for electrical engineers, technicians, and electricians who work with electric motors. The Transformer Handbook provides detailed information on the design, operation, and maintenance of transformers. It covers a wide range of topics, including transformer construction, transformer testing, and transformer protection. It is a valuable resource for electrical engineers, technicians, and electricians who work with transformers. The Electrical Wiring Commercial provides practical guidance on the installation of electrical wiring systems in commercial buildings. It covers a wide range of topics, including wiring methods, conduit installation, and branch circuit wiring. It is an essential resource for electrical contractors, electricians, and inspectors who work on commercial electrical projects. The Massachusetts Masters Electrician Exam Preparation Manual is a study guide specifically tailored to the Massachusetts Masters Electrical License Exam. It covers all of the topics that are likely to be on the exam, including the NEC Electrical Theory and Massachusetts Electrical Regulations. It also includes practice questions and sample exams to help you prepare. Mike Holt's Guide to the National Electrical Code is a well-respected guide that provides clear explanations of the NEC. It is written in an easy-to-understand style and includes many diagrams and illustrations. It is a valuable resource for anyone who wants to learn more about the NEC. Pass Your Electrical Exam is a comprehensive review of electrical theory and practice for exam preparation. It covers all of the topics that are likely to be on an electrical exam, including electrical circuits, electrical machines, and electrical codes. It also includes practice questions and sample exams to help you prepare. Electrical Exam Practice Questions is a collection of practice questions to help you assess your knowledge of electrical theory and practice. The questions are similar to those that are likely to be on an electrical exam. They cover a wide range of topics, including electrical circuits, electrical machines, and electrical codes. The NC's Electrical and Computer Engineering Practice Exam is a practice exam developed by the National Council of Examiners for Engineering and Surveying, or NCs, to help candidates prepare for the Fundamentals of Engineering, or FE, exam in electrical and computer engineering. The FE exam is the first step in the process of becoming a licensed professional engineer in the United States. The practice exam covers all of the topics that are likely to be on the FE exam, including mathematics, science, and engineering fundamentals. The Massachusetts Board of State Examiners of Electricians provides information on the licensing process and exam requirements for electricians in Massachusetts. The board also investigates complaints against electricians and takes disciplinary action when necessary. The Electrical Contractors Association of Massachusetts, or ECAM, is a trade association that represents electrical contractors in Massachusetts. ECAM provides its members with a variety of services, including training, education, and advocacy. Also, know that successful exam preparation often involves a combination of studying texts, practicing problems, and understanding the relevant codes and regulations.